Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I will be showing you how to link a sales order to a pre-existing project. In a previous video I showed you how to launch a project from a sales order. This is a slightly different scenario. First thing I'll do, I'm going to go into these projects here, and this is one that I had made before. If you click on these dots and go to the settings, you can see a multitude of things. One of them is you see a smart bar up here. There already is a sales order linked, but you can link more than one. In order for this to happen, a customer does need to be set on the project already. So if I go to sales orders, I'll make another one for Deco. And we'll put some random stuff on here. Now, some other information needs to be added in order for this to link to that project. And no pun intended, but it is found in the other info tab. And it is this field right here, project. So as you can see, it's a drop down. Any project that exists in that application would be visible here. We're going to select this one, the aforementioned Deco Addict New Building. That's why they need tables and shares and what have you. Once we save this and we confirm the sales order, if we take this link back to the project that I was showing you before, as you can see, there's now two sales orders connected to it, this original one as well as this new one here. And this was the sales order that I was just working on. And here is the project link. So very useful tool, helps keep you organized, especially if it's a very large project for the company. Lots of sales orders and tasks might be related to accomplish this. And this feature helps align your sales orders to the project very easily. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.